World Cancer Day was celebrated by Manipal Hospital. The event was to empower the fight against cancer and spread hope to those who are battling with it. Ms. Chhavi Mittal, renowned Indian film and television actress who is also a breast cancer survivor, enlightened the event by sharing her journey towards recovery. The highlight of the event was the miraculous and successful treatment of Ms. Vinuta, a MBBS doctor who suffered from breast cancer, and Mr. Assis Patnaik, who was diagnosed with multiple myeloma. The expert team of doctors diagnosed and treated both complex cases and helped them get back to their normal life. Ms. Chhavi Mittal spoke about their journey to spread the message and create hope to those suffering from cancer.
And now let's just get the rest of the facts in place. So my point is that fear is perception, is subjective, right? I may be scared of one thing, you may be scared of something else. And similarly, the first thing that I learned when I was diagnosed is that cancer is also very different. There are a lot of different kinds of cancers. There are different kinds of breast cancers, and the ability of people to fight cancer is also different. So just because one person had it the bad way doesn't mean I will have it the bad way too. So I made a lot of calls, I called a lot of doctors, I weighed all my options, I got my facts in place, and like a lot of people, I believe that breast cancer means mastectomy, end of life, and cancer kills. A lot of myths even I had, but I thought that it's the best if I speak to the specialists who know what they're doing. And so once I spoke to my doctor, he was 100% sure that it's curable. And I think the only conversation that I had, the questions that I had with him about my cancer after he told me that it's 100% curable is, what is my quality of life going to be after cancer? Because yes, you tell me that this is curable, but am I going to be able to do the things that I love? I love working out, I love going to the gym, I love lifting weights. And in fact, lifting weights is what saved my life, because I got a gym injury in my chest, which I went to get checked, and we found a lump. Oh, so that's how working out saved your life. Okay. Having cancer doesn't mean end of life. I was very confident that I'm going to fight it, and the other thing, so there are a lot of learnings that I got from this entire journey. One of the other learnings was that, like you all said, that cancer, even if it's not curable, it's treatable, and it is how you manage your disease, so it's more of disease management. Let's be honest, we all are human beings, and this is a disease which you don't know exactly what causes it. I mean, I know of people who don't smoke but have lung cancer. I don't have any medical history, family history of breast cancer. I breastfed both my babies. I lead a pretty healthy lifestyle. Yet I got it. So I thought that if I'm going to continue to be on social media, I cannot be living a lie. And hence, I thought that I will share my journey with everybody. And I also kind of realized after that, because I started getting messages from a lot of cancer warriors, a lot of people who were still fighting cancer, and a lot of people who had seen somebody go through it. Big congratulations, and please continue to do God's work. Thank you.
Cancer cells, their messaging has gone oil, they divide, they continue to divide, and they are indestructible, they do not die. And at times they also spread to other organs, other body parts. And that is where the fear, the threat comes in. Cancer as such is a family of disease, it is not one singular disease. And I am very happy to share with you that at Manipal hospitals, we have been at the forefront of not only educating our communities but also treating cancer, ensuring that large-scale screening programs are done. Cancer, whether it is at a stage 1 or stage 4, there is appropriate treatment modality which is worked out. There is a specialized group of clinicians who will look at the entire case and then give a very individual recommendation. We have the state-of-the-art machine in terms of tomotherapy, in terms of the linacs that we have, in terms of the robotic equipment that we have. And then, of course, we have our medical oncologists, our radiation oncologists, our surgical oncologists, and they deliver a gamut of treatment services. But I think today's event is exceptionally important to ensure that the message reaches out into the community, and I'm very thankful that we have a large gathering from the media as well. Because unless and until the people at large know that cancer is just like any other regular disease, it is almost like a hypertension or a diabetes. You need to figure out what is happening, and then you need to reach out to the correct specialist. So that is the broader message that we want to give. And then of course, we will also talk about what treatment protocols that get followed to ensure that you lead a normal life or as near normal life that is feasible. We ensure that we reach out to the correct specialists and get the treatment going. Thank you so much.
So, why is Manipal going on talking about comprehensive cancer center? Why are they not talking about individual doctors? Why comprehensive cancer center? Why is it needed? So typically, if a 50-year-old patient is diagnosed with breast cancer, these are the things that she needs. First, clinical examination, then image-guided biopsy agbeku, after that, pathology and the advanced immunohistochemistry testing, PET-CT for staging purposes, surgery, which is breast conservation or mastectomy or decide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, chemotherapy or targeted therapy to shrink the disease, radiation therapy, and then always we talk hereditary risk to evaluate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. At least 8-10 items are there which need to be done. Oh, okay, this may only be for breast cancer, you might say. But let's say a 10-year-old child comes with blood cancer. He needs specialized investigation with flow cytometry, bone marrow testing, analysis of chromosome and molecular tests. Chuchi injection is not feasible, so we need a specialized PICC line or chemoport as such. Needs radiation, sometimes a high-risk disease to the brain as such. Chemotherapy to be given into the spinal fluid, bone marrow transplant to completely eradicate the disease in certain situations, and infection control. Most important is infection control, and you say the specialized blood products.
So guys, on this World Cancer Day on 4th of Feb, I'd like to first of all congratulate all the warriors who have fought this disease successfully, and for all those people who are going through it right now, just want to say it is a long road, but you don't need to stop living your life and enjoying it while you are going through this treatment. And technology is really advanced now. There is a lot of light at the end of this tunnel. So just hang in there and just enjoy the journey that you're going. Post cancer, the life is even more amazing because I feel so empowered, and I think the kind of lessons that I have learned through this journey, nothing else has taught me in life before. So I have nothing but to be thankful for.